Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Today's project is a bit paper craft mania, which is I made some lovely paper flowers, and today I'll gonna be showing you how to make it. Now this project is very simple. Now there are millions of tutorials on YouTube on how to make paper flowers, and that's kind of like my version for what I used recently. I just come back from Italy, so I did, if you are interested, I did a mini vlog on my YouTube channel, so I will link it down below if you're curious to see what where I live and what we did when me and Jamie went there. And I also been to the equivalent of the pound shop, and I bought some of these lovely, I don't know how I can explain them, but they're kind of like plastic flower ends in there, and I brought blue, bit of red, oops, are they all here? There, I put in the bag, and some green ones. Okay, so let me put this aside. Okay, so what I did, I die cut the actual flower, the petal, if you want to call it that way, cut in the middle, put the plastic insert in there, and I think they're rather cute. Okay, so I don't want to bother you to death, so let's start making. So for this project, I have used the Sweet Flowers Mix and Match design pad. There are 30 sheets, 3 by 10 designs, and it's a really thin paper. So I picked these, another blue one and another floral one, and what I did, I punched with the Stampin' Up punch board, oh, I can't speak English today, punch board with that. So I created this color combination, so I've done blue, yellow and a pink. Now I'll show you how to make it. So simply die cut or punch the petals of your flower, fold it in half, create a mini hole in there. Now you don't have to go in the center, you can go, you know, either side, or it's completely up to you. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm trying to go on the center. Okay, so you just simply create a little hole, and then grab the plastic insert. So just gonna get one of these. And then what I'm gonna do, see if I can show you. I tend to put, got something stuck in my finger. I tend to put the cardstock as a base, and then the design paper on the top, because it's more flimsy. With the cardstock, at least the base of the flower is a bit more stronger. Okay, so you simply put the insert in the middle. So we're gonna put a bit of glue. So just go, oops, just gonna put a bit of glue around the hole in there, and there's not much left. So okay, and I'll do the same in there. Okay, so I put that on top of that, so like that, so they kind of alternate. And then I insert the stem, if you want to call it that way, in the middle, push it down, grab it from the back, and then because I put a bit of glue in here, so if you can see it, so this will actually stick into the paper. And I kind of fold it slightly to create a bit of a 3D effect. Okay, very that simple. I'm gonna put it aside, and we're gonna do the pink and the blue. Again, same, I create a hole in there with the scissors, fold it. When we've been to Italy, it was a bit of rubbish weather, because it was basically raining every other day, so I didn't get much sun. So I'm not really tanned as I used to be, but never mind. Hopefully we will get another week in September. See if we can top up a bit of tan that we have. Like that. Okay, so all of them have got a hole in the middle. So let's put a bit of glue. Go in here, just around the hole. Like that. Around the hole. And last here. Oops. And then from this one, I'm going to get the red one in there. Pop it through the middle. Press it lightly. I help with the tip of the scissor to make sure I adheres properly. Like that. Oops. Very clumsy today. And then I fold the petals over like that. Let it dry, and then last, put that in there. Oops, let's see if I can get it. Okay, so, and then I get the glue. I thought they were really cheap for €1, which is what, £1. I don't know how many there are, but there's quite a few of them. So if we're gonna go back, I'm gonna get some more. Because for €1, really good value for money. I don't know if I'm trying to look on Amazon, but I can't seem to find it. So if you guys know somewhere where we can find this, just send me a comment down below. Okay, so again, you kind of play with the petals a bit. See, what you could do, you can sponge a bit of ink on the edge of the petal as well, just to give a bit more 3D, but I'm happy with those as they are now. Okay, so that is it for today. I think they're really, really cute. You can do like a little bouquet of pepper flowers. I use some on some boxes I've done for a few special people. I'm sending some goodies to. Anyway, so that is it for today. I have a Facebook group. It's called AntonioMakes, the same as my YouTube channel. So I would like you guys to all come there so we can have some chats. I have Instagram as well, which I will link everything down below. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. That would mean the world to me, and I will see you very soon.